like to buy old junk. This is an old iPhone SE that I've been using as my daily phone. There's really nothing wrong with it. Let's see, the condition's pretty decent. But I went onto eBay and purchased a $60 phone, $60 iPhone SE. It's a generation upgrade from 2020. So this phone's about 3-4 years old, but it's still an upgrade from this 7-8-year-old phone. So for $60, this is what I got. It's pretty scratched up. You can see as I change the angle of the phone, it's all scratched up. And then here's the big issue. So for $60, $50 were knocked off because of the cracked back, which is not a big deal to me. I was just going to put it in a case. I didn't want to spend a lot of money. I could have gotten this probably new off of a bunch of these prepaid deals and then get it unlocked for another $20-$30 using their service for 2 months or a month. So this is the condition it was in. It's, I would say, poor because it's chipped here, scratched all over the screen, and then the back is totally cracked. But everything else works fine. So this is my $60 iPhone SE, which I got off of eBay. Was it worth it? It's unlocked. That's a nice thing. You can check if you go into settings. So from settings, go into general, and then go to about. Then scroll down from over here. And you can see under carrier lock, it says no SIM restrictions. So it came unlocked. And you can see when it's on, it looks pretty good. I checked the camera, and the camera looks pretty decent. No issues with the camera and video recording or audio. So this is what I got for $60. It would have cost about $100 for a poor or fair iPhone, and this is a little bit worse.